Welcome students. I am Ms. Frida Pereira, Assistant Professor from Kamal College of Arts, Science and Commerce for Women in Nueva Goa. Program Bachelor of Science, second year, subject Botany, semester 4, course code BOS 102, course title Herbal Technology. The title of the unit is Phytochemical Analysis. Module name Histochemical Tests for Screening of Phytoconstituents in Natural Drugs, that is steroids and terpenoids. The outline of this module is Introduction to Steroids and Terpenoids, Histochemical Tests for Screening of Steroids in Natural Drugs, Histochemical Tests for Screening of Terpenoids in Natural Drugs. The learning outcomes of this module are: the student recalls the concept of steroids and terpenoids. The student explains the histochemical tests for screening of steroids and terpenoids in natural drugs. In this module, we'll be studying about the various tests that are used to detect the steroids and terpenoids which are present in the natural drugs. Now, coming to introduction, steroids, the plant steroids are made up of diverse group of natural products. Among the plant steroid, phytosterols are abundant in the plant kingdom and possess hypercholesterolemic activity. Vithanolides are a large group of steroidal lactones with various biological activities. Brasinosteroids are a small group of plant steroids classified as plant growth hormones. Phytoagdisteroids are polyhydroxylated plant steroids which are known to exhibit anabolic effect with no adverse side effects. Steroidal alkaloids are nitrogen-containing plant steroids with a lot of biological activities. Trace amount of cholesterol and mammalian steroidal hormone including progesterone have been detected in some plants. Terpenoids. The word terpene is derived from turpentine. Terpenes are hydrocarbons and components of resins and also turpentine produced from resin. When terpenes are modified chemically, such as by oxidation or rearrangement of carbon skeleton, the resulting compounds are known as terpenoids. Terpenes and terpenoids are found in all volatile oils, resins, and resin combination of plant or animal origin. Due to their pleasant flavor, they are used in perfumery, cosmetics, soaps, incense sticks, foods, pharmaceutical and beverage industries. Therapeutically, they are used as antiseptic, stimulant, carminative, diuretic, anthelmintic, analgesic, anti-rheumatic, aromatic, and counter-irritant. They are also used as insect repellents, insecticides, pesticides, and in deodorants. The histochemical tests for screening of steroids in natural drugs. There are two tests. The first is Lieberman-Burchard's test, and the second is Salkowski test. Lieberman-Burchard's test. Now let us see how it is performed. 10 grams of herbal powder is taken in a test tube. 10 ml of ethyl alcohol is added to it and the test tube is shaken well to get an ethanolic extract. The ethanolic extract is filtered through the filter paper. The filtrate is evaporated to get a dry extract. 2 mg of dry extract is taken in a test tube and treated with 5 ml of acetic anhydride. The resulting solution that is obtained is boiled and then it is cooled. So 1 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid is added along the sides of the test tube. Then green color appears in the solution. So the formation of the green color will indicate the presence of steroids in the herbal powder. The second test to detect steroids is known as Salkowski test. In this test, 10 gram of herbal powder is taken in a test tube. 10 ml of ethyl alcohol is added to it, and the test tube is shaken well to get an ethanolic extract. The ethanolic extract is filtered through the filter paper. The filtrate is evaporated to get the dry extract. 2 mg of dry extract is taken in a test tube and treated with 5 ml of chloroform. 1 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid is added along the sides of the test tube. Red color will appear in the solution. So the formation of the red color will indicate the presence of steroids in the herbal powder. Next is the histochemical test for screening of terpenoids in natural drugs. This test is known as Salkowski test. 10 gram of herbal powder is taken in the test tube. 10 ml of ethyl alcohol is added to it, and the test tube is shaken well to get the ethanolic extract. 5 ml of extract is mixed with 2 ml of chloroform, and concentrated 3 ml sulfuric acid is carefully added to form a layer. A reddish brown coloration of the interface shows positive results for the presence of terpenoids. These are the references. Thank you.